Hi guys! Magkaon ng mga
But I
tinta.
think she should have crazy hair like yours.
Yeah. Sometimes we want rebonded sometimes.
I like the crazy hair.
Han, you like curly hair. Kaon tayo guys. Kaon tayo. Ready na mi atog church. Naligo gyud taon ko. Nara oh. Then natay kape nga walay asukar. Thank
Here, I
you.
share the juice with you.
Yan, Han is sharing the juice with me. Niyara guys, ano ni? Simba mi guys, daghang tag ipasalamat sa Diyos. Oh, my.
Lots of purple.
Yeah. Baby pancake. Honey made the baby pancake for me always. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank
Nagampo
you,
naman
Lord,
sa
for
honey.
this blessing.
Nagampo na sa honey.
Did I make goodly?
Yeah, goodly. Thank you, honey.
Welcome.
Mm.
I like how the bacon turns out on that thing,
Yeah, no.
on that flat thing.
Kada ligo na ko, no? Mamuti na akong dali, oh. Mamuti siya. Na-apply na ko akong cream. Ingani akong buhok, guys. Basa. Nadaghan ni kuban diri. Munang kinahanglan na i-dye hair. Di na ko magtina og mga brown kay madaot akong buhok. Ang sira kasi pag palaging mag tina-tina ba. Klase-klase. Pangkuon man ako ni akong buhok ron, mo nang akong pauga-uga. Kaunta ninyo, kumusta naman mo? Among kinabuhi, malipayon. Yung matag content kay, mahot lang tag content. Upload na to sa page, YT.
So the kids were excited when they saw those.
Yeah. He wants that. Brownham. He said, I want. Give it to me, I want. Oh my. She did cut her short, same as mine.
What?
She cut her hair short. Kaon guys. Kaon tayo ba? Mami siya. Mami. Almost done. Juice.
I always add water to the juice because it's too sweet.
So sweet.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I try adding salt, see how that does.
Mm-hmm.
No, I ain't putting salt in the juice.
Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. God bless us all.